Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviewer Winspections. Today, I have something a little different for you, an honest product review. We've all been there, scrolling through reviews, wondering if a product lives up to the hype. Well, today, I'm putting the best paint sprayer to the test. No fluff, no sugarcoating, just straight up honesty about whether this thing is worth your hard-earned cash. Stick around as we dive into the good, the bad, and the downright surprising aspects of Top 5 Paint Sprayer. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because, on this channel, we keep it 100%. Let's do this. Number 1. HomeRite C800971.A Paint Sprayer. Handheld portability is a bonus feature when it's time to paint kitchen cabinets. It reduces fatigue and makes it easy to get into weird corners and hit those awkward angles. Paint spraying is easy with this HomeRite HVLP sprayer. Its extremely fine mist provides an incredibly smooth finish, most likely one of the many reasons it has over 6,700 5-star reviews. In comparison to the Quick Finish and Finish Max models, the Super Finish Max is the top model. It comes with 3 brass spray tips, Quick Finish is plastic, and can handle between 2 and 3 gallons of paint. Unlike the other 2 models, this one doesn't need thin paint to function properly. "I love this sprayer," wrote one happy reviewer. "I used it today to paint my kitchen cabinet doors. Everything came out so smoothly. What would have probably taken me days, only took a few hours, and that included drying time between coats." Number 2. Graco Magnum 262,800x5 Stand Airless Paint Sprayer. Airless paint sprayers give the user plenty of control over how much paint comes out. One of the best features on this particular model is its standing base, which provides a sturdy structure. This airless sprayer doesn't need to have paint thinned down to work properly, and the paint flow can be manipulated and controlled, too. And, once you're finished coating your kitchen cabinets, this sprayer can be connected to your garden hose to quickly and efficiently clean it out. With an Amazon's Choice stamp and nearly 3,000 5-star ratings, it's clearly a favorite model. "I build cabinets as a hobby and have always struggled with my paint finish," began one reviewer. "I am constantly having to stop and clean my old sprayer, and it is always frustrating. I bought the Graco Magnum X5 and could not be more pleased. Great looking finish and easy to apply." Number 3. Batavia Paint Sprayer. This lightweight paint sprayer from Batavia is lightweight, portable, and comfortable to hold, thanks to its cushy grip. It comes with 4 nozzles and a few extra accessories to help with cleaning, like a brush and needle. There's a cup, too, for thinning out the paint before moving on and painting kitchen cabinets. Its featherlight size makes it easy to lift up and down and maneuver around cabinets, leaving a smooth texture. This is a great pick as well if a budget paint sprayer is a priority. Reviewers noted that there's very little overspray, so it can be used both indoors and out, and it's simple to use even for beginners. "I've never used a sprayer before, so I didn't want anything expensive, cumbersome, or too complicated to use," explained a reviewer. "It was practically ready to use out of the box. It sprays even, and like most sprayers, you can adjust the spray level and angle." Number 4. Wagner Spraytech 0580678 Paint Sprayer. This hefty paint sprayer can handle a good bit of paint, despite it being on the smaller end of the spectrum for Wagner's paint sprayers. Its paint bucket can hold up to 1.5 gallons. Its built-in tech cuts down on overspray by over 50%, and it's well suited for tackling sets of cabinets while outdoors. The brand claims that its spray patterns are also less textured than competing airless sprayers. Aside from kitchen cabinets, the spray gun works efficiently to spray paint on sheds, house exteriors, and decks, too. It's also fine to use indoors on walls. "I can't say one bad thing about this product," wrote a buyer. "My husband has not shared it with me much, but I have refinished our cabinets with it and literally kept jumping up and down because I was so thrilled at the perfect finish and how insanely fast I got it done." Number 5. Graco 17D889 Handheld Paint Sprayer. Being able to tackle the weirdest corners and spaces is made possible with this Graco paint sprayer, which can even be turned upside down and work without a hitch. It comes with lining bags, which is great for projects that need to switch between different paint colors. The speed at which the paint projects out can also be customized, and it can handle a variety of coatings, including latex paint. This line of airless sprayers is great for kitchen cabinets and has a vacuum valve feature that ensures every bit of air is forced out and allowing for the spray painter to be turned 360 degrees. "I wasn't sure how it was going to do with overspray and different angles, but it has not disappointed at all," wrote a customer. "Everything from a small project like painting a door to painting cabinets has been a breeze with this thing." Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.